short and sweet cruise around New Zealand, now the centre of another coronavirus outbreak. At least 3 people on board the Ruby Princess have tested positive to the virus.
One of those 3 was a crew member. The ship is currently at sea off the New South Wales coast, I believe somewhere between Sydney and Wollongong. And the company that owns that Ruby Princess is managing the issue, obviously talking to the federal health authorities.
One passenger is in a Sydney hospital, another travelled to Tasmania. Health authorities are appealing to all passengers who disembarked the ship to self-isolate immediately.
SMS and emails have gone out to all of those passengers on that ship.
Where there are Australians on that ship who are disembarking, they will be going into self-isolation, which means self-isolation, just do it, would be my message on that.
A 6th person has died from the virus, bringing the national death toll to 7. The 81-year-old woman had close contact with another confirmed case at a Sydney hospital. 6 people are in intensive care with the virus in hospitals. This week alone, New South Wales recorded its highest number of cases on a daily basis. More than 40,000 people have been tested for the virus. Another aged care resident from Dorothy Henderson Lodge has tested positive, and a 14-year-old girl from Port Macquarie, while St Columba Anglican College has been shut down for cleaning and contact tracing. Schools will remain open.
30% of our health workforce would be compromised if schools were to be shut around the country. Now, we will continue to take advice and we will continue to monitor the situation closely. But the very clear decision of premiers, chief ministers and myself is that schools should remain open.
NAPLAN testing has been suspended for this year. Education ministers from around the country deciding to cancel the mandatory test in a bid to keep the focus on the well-being of students. Stella Todorovic, Sky News, Sydney.